2, 3, go, dance, dance. No music, oh, no. Nacho, 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 nacho. Oh, bye.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Give daddy. Daddy, give first. You do first.
You literally called
You give first, small daddy. Small, small only, ha? Small, small. Ay, Jenny Sophia, Jenny's here. Oh my God. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to my baby. Kamay, tika. Wait na. Dito na first, Tita Bila will give tika, tika, and then Tita muna. All auntie. All tika, tika. Okay.
Ang aking pagkain.
Oh, happy birthday. Wait na later ha. All the auntie per Sophia will give the tika.
Ang tika.
Oh, tika. And then na, Ama is there. Oh.
Happy birthday.
Where's thank you?
Thank you.
Oh, hadyo ka, Ama. Oh, Ama.
This.
Oh, wait na, Rognos na. Outside, Aton. Outside, oh my God. Outside, outside.
Party ko po.
Ajur.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Yes, Lilay din.
Tapos ito ang gown ni Sophia, guys. Gown niya. Kasi winter dito, meron siyang jacket. Ito ang kanyang gown. Tapos ito. Hello guys. This is it guys. Today is Sophia birthday. Ito ang aming simple celebration. Sa ano. She is 7 years old today. Now here you go. This is the sit up. 7 years old si Sophia. This is the one for visitor. They will eat here. Only family members guys we have. And then this is the food. Yung mga pagkain lagay natin. Tapos yung mga bata din mag-ano laro. Dito mag-ano ko. Tapos hey, this is the one. Not yet changed. Just wait, don't pay. I just show. And then here. Dito mag-blow si Sophia. Ito siya. Sit up na to siya. Actually, yung party niya 7:30, yung blow the cake. Kasi may timing dito, guys. Ito na siya ang kanyang birthday. Ayan, may ano. Ayan. Tapos, yung lockback niya, yung crown niya, at saka yung sa cake, candle, ay yung gift na niya. Meron na siyang 2 gift. Tapos, ipakita ko sa inyo.
Tikish.
start ang Oh,
Allah, birthday mo siya. Lahat
Go, 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 go. Chula. Unger. 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 Happy birthday,
oh, birthday.
Sophia. Sophia.
Really?
Yeah, not your birthday today. Tomorrow. Mine birthday.
Your birthday.
Not your birthday. Mommy birthday no.
Mm-hmm.
My birthday tomorrow.
You sing.
Happy birthday, Sophia. Joy Thapa. My name is Sophia. Tomorrow is my birthday.
Your auntie, uncle, tomorrow is my birthday. Lola.
Auntie, uncle, Lula, tomorrow is my birthday.
Celebrate Sophia. Sophia is birthday tomorrow.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tomorrow whose birthday? After day tomorrow. No, anyone.
No more.
After day tomorrow I want to birthday.
Day after tomorrow.
Whose birthday after day tomorrow? Today Bitara Amaya.
Okay.
Daddy of Ama. Bitara. See, Ali blew the small cake.
One birthday.
My mother is the most special person in my life. She takes care of me every day. Seafood, tasty food for our family. My mother helped me in my study and teach me good habits. She loved me very much and always kept me safe. I feel happy when I am with my mother. She was that for our family. I love my mother very much and I want to make her proud. My mother is the most special person is in my life.
Dance, Pin. Dance.
But Himani is bungi. Himani don't pronounce. I'm bunty king.
But that's the first-
I am bungi. Bungi or what is it called?
See, very good, Sophia.
Where is it going?
One, two, sing. sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sophia. Happy birthday to you. Oh, blow the cake, Sophia. Blow, blow, blow. Yay! Oh, who want to blow the cake? Otherwise, Batya all crying. Oh my God.
No.
Bayo. Oh, now, Sophia.
Okay.
Tika, and then with the cake, feed her.
Oh my God. You wish, Sophia.
What? New secret. This is a egg.
Eh? Luis Cavita. Say thank you. Do you say thank you? Open. It's okay. You can do it, baby. You can do it. Wow. Surprise. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is the one your favorite during birthday. Opening the gifts. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Wow. Say thank you to Miss Anser. I love you. Where's the I love you? Wow. Oh, tita muna, tita muna. Oh my God. Oh. Wow, Sophia opening the gift.
How do you know that?
Ahem.
Maybe just go.
Okay, you open. As Baba Sukar will help. Baba Sukar will help.
That's for humanity.
You can you can destroy the box. Wow, oh my God! Ala, Linga. Na thank you tita muna. Where's I love you? Oh, Mama Net. Mama Net. Where's another one? Open. Oh, there's for Mama Net. Oh, sige na, you make now.
Mama, yes.
Oh, Mama Net gift. Wow! Where's the other one? Oh, wow. Oh.
Yan yung gusto niyo pinapamili.
Oh, enough na enough. Oh, still. Oh.
Wow.
Oh, still Mama Net. Oh, look, Mama Net. Oh, she's opening the gift. Wow, oh, another one.
That's for humanity.
You destroy, no problem. Okay. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, yay. Oh, no need to open only like that. Oh, next. Tita Jane gift. Where's the Tita Jane? Kathleen, where's the gift of Kathleen? Oh, that one, this one. Oh, Tita Jane. Okay, later na, later. Later first. Oh, this one, okay. Tita Bella, that one, Tita Bella. Wow! Say thank you, Tita Bella.
Thank you. No.
Tita Bella, Amani.
Oh.
Wow! Ay! Ala, it will draw. Oh, didiri ka kay where are ko? Oh my God, lipstick. Oh my God, I don't like lipstick.
Jessica.
Oh, wait na, look na. Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh my God. Kay Arko, didiri ka where? Open. Oh. Wow! Say thank you. Thank you. Oh, here. Slowly. All the kids. Oh, did you receive kasi thank you. Wow, very pretty.
Wow.
Thank you. Where's thank you?
Thank you. This is bigger than your best.
Say thank you to all for coming your birthday. Thank you to all.
This one.
Happy birthday!
Aba, we going now. We are late. Oh.
Let's because I can speak.
Oh, so it's like help? What is that? Who's this?
Tita Bella! Say thank you, Tita Bella!
Oh, tita pala ba ni?
Ah, Tita Bella, oh!
Ang ginatin ka na ba? Siya ang dito.
Kaya sabi niya, Tita Bella, oh, it's over. Yay!
Kina angry.
How you open? Oh, sige, you open. Struggle is life. Hala, paborito yan ni Topia. Paborito mo yan. Top toys.
Mommy, see the
Paborito na sa Pia.
not open.
Oh, Queen, you can... Oh, ask Tita Bella help. Ask Tita Bella help.
Baka tingnan natin yan.
Oh, wow. Oh my God!
Eh, oh, you have now.
Oh my God, I have too much CD, but I need to wash again. Oh my God, you give me too much CD.
You like this?
Oh, next. Sige na.
Dance, Sophia, dance.
Ayun na naman.
The light. Oh, light. What? Guitar.
Sophia, like this. Nacho.
Amani, kami.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sophia. Happy to you.
Sophia. Once again, happy birthday to you, Sophia.
Oh, so pwede you go with ano?
तुम्ही हात में चॉकलेट
Smile, Sophia.
One more. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
birthday to you.
Right, son. Right.
Sutanghon. Ito arde.
Ito ang masarap ang sutanghon. Parang ano, Pilipinas.
At wala na yan sa Badbateni. Meron. Ba't di ko nakita?
Meron siya.
Yung pag ganun yung supot niya, di ba? Yung sa
Meron siya.
tongkon kasi tawag.
Ano tawag yan siya?
Tongkon.
Tongpan?
Tongkon.
Ah, oo, sa Chinese. Ano.
Kasi pag yung English, ang haba, so tanghon, di ba?
Ito sarap po kahit ano. Yung
Ito parang
malaki na bell, yung tanim mo.
Ang dami dyan, no?
spice to, no?
Ito spicy, ito ano normal.
Ngayon,
Malak.
pumunta ako kahapon para bumili nito. Araw-araw na ako pumupunta doon umaga.
Ay, social.
Wala timingan. Visit.
Bakit kahit everyday wala?
Pumunta. Simula ng Saturday, kahapon, ngayon, pumunta ako doon. Wala talaga. Sabi ko, anong oras ako pwedeng pumunta dito? Sabi, alisin
Yung
ko
masarap
daw.
ito kapag may
Alisin
ubo-ubo.
ko. Maliligo pa lang ako.
Shabu-shabu, di ba?
Oo, yung mga restaurant ang aga na mamalengke.
Kasi last night, isang
Hi guys, good evening. Today is, what's up here?
Mommy birthday.
Mommy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Sing Sophia.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, mommy.
Yeah, today is my birthday guys, December 1. Tapos,
Yahoo!
kumain kami sa labas lang guys, kasama with friends and my friends. And then, ito, natanggap ko sa kanila. Mag-unboxing tayo guys. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gift. Okay. Now, first, I will unbox gift of my husband. This is gift for Daddy. See, very nice guys.
For mommy.
Pants and ito din siya guys. Windproof kasi wala akong windproof na jacket kaya ayun binilhan ako ng aking asawa. Thank you Daddy. And then
What?
another one guys. Oh, come here Sophia. Sophia want to open guys. She's excited to open my gift. Oh, sit down and then put it here.
You open
You
first.
open it like this.
And I open the second milk.
Milk. This is from Tita MJ. Thank you, Tita MJ.
To home this one.
Well, Mommy. Thank you, Tita MJ, for the gift.
What's in it? Wow!
Wow! It's a sweater. So nice. Kasi winter na
Back
dito.
side, look back side.
Kasi winter na guys. Ayan. Thank you, Tita MJ.
And now this one pink.
And then now the pink one. This is for, I think this is for Tita Mona.
I'll open first.
We'll open guys. Okay. Excited si Sophia guys. She want to open. So,
Oh,
don't make it scratch. Now, don't come with me. Now, excited si Sophia guys na mag-open. Now, this is Tita Mona. Thank you, Tita Mona. Ayan. So blessed guys to have this all people very kind heart and of course they're kind. So blessed to have these people. Wow. What is this? I think it's a sari. Sari or? Ay guys, mag-sari na ako guys. Thank you, Tita Mona. So nice, Tita Mona.
now this one.
Ayan, for Tita Bella.
Tita
Si
Bella.
Sophia guys, very excited guys.
I'll
She's the one
open.
excited for me. Now Sophia will open. She's excited her, guys, my gift.
No. There. It's in my hands.
She's been, Actually, she's long time she wants to open this kind of gift. And then I'm a little bit busy. That's why I told her later we will open. Now she's opening the
Wow.
gift. Now,
I'll open the tape.
make it possible.
No, I'll open it.
She's very excited, guys.
I'll go the tapes.
Next time also Sophia birthday. So,
I'll go.
see, she's excited. Excited more. Other one. She's excited. See, but Sophia, guys, she's so very excited. Oh my God, so pretty. Thank you, Tita Bella. Wow. So nice. Oh my God. I have another for winter clothes. Wow. See guys, you know already I'm always wearing the diba? Bang bang ching ching. Bang bang. Thank you, Bella. Thank you all.
Yeah.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Tita Bella. Thank
Show
you,
the money,
Tita
show the
MJ.
money.
Ay, of course. May ampaw ako, guys. From Tita Beth. Where is it? My, what is it?
Yahoo!
Of course, I have a ampaw. I have a maligay. Thank you, Tita Beth. Thank you, Sis Beth. Dami-dami, guys. Ang dami-dami ampaw, guys. Ang dami-dami. Thank you so much.
I want
So
to
blessed to have you guys. So,
play this one.
thank you so much, guys. And then, thank you all also for greeting my birthday, greetings, wishes, everything. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. And then, thank you for spending your time to greet me. Even you are busy, wherever you are, you know you are so blessed. My family in Philippines, relatives all over the world, Philippines, USA, Canada, UAE, Nepal, Philippines, all over the world, my friend, my relatives. Thank you so much, guys. My Nepali family, thank you so much. Dari Danabat. Much love from Joy Tapa family. I love you all. Bang bang. Dance talaga. Don't show.